What's going on, everybody? Tom here with Keto Lifestyle, and welcome to today's vlog. Today is actually going to be a full day of eating video. Before we get started, I really wanted to say thank you to all you guys and all my subscribers. This channel has grown a ton lately, so welcome to the new guys, and those of you who've been around, thank you so much for sticking with me. And if you have not subscribed yet, go hit the subscribe button, because it really does help me out a lot. But let's get rolling. So today, I'm actually preparing for my trip to Europe. I mentioned this a few weeks back. I got to go to London and Dublin, and I leave Friday. So today I'm just going to be doing a ton of filming for you guys. But this video itself may give you a preview of what's to come this week, and I'm just going to show you what I eat on a daily basis and kind of give you the macros for each meal. So maybe give you some ideas to try in the future. But let's get to the first meal. So we are here at meal number one. You may recognize the setting we're in. So obviously I just got done filming a cooking video, and this week's cooking video, or next, I'm not sure which we're gonna do yet, is gonna be for these Hot Pockets. So I'm having a roast beef and cheese, kind of a Philly cheesesteak style Hot Pocket. They're really good. So I'll put the macros for this up on the screen right here. And then I'm also going to be having a serving of these Parmesan crisps. Now I did make my own cheese chips, and I'll link that in the YouTube card right now. But these are great. They're about $9 from Sam's Club for a bag of them. And it's 130 calories, 8 grams of fat, no carb, and 12 protein for 25 of these crisps. And there's 9 servings in a bag. So if you don't want to make your own, these are a really good option. They don't taste quite as great as the cheddar ones in my opinion, but they're good for a quick and easy go-to. So first meal is going to come out to a total of these macros right here. Now my next snack meal, whatever you want to call it, this will be meal number 2 or snack number 1, is a fat bomb. Now these are coconut cream cheese lime fat bombs, and the recipe for this is either going to be coming out this Wednesday or next Wednesday. But here it is. This is what they look like. They're right around 200 calories each. I'm going to put the macros for it right here, and then I'm going to update the total for the day right here. And I'll see you guys next time I eat. What's going on, everybody? We are back from the gym, and it's around 9 o'clock now, and I have not had my final meal yet. But you guys thought you were gonna get through a keto lifestyle vlog without me having barbecue, and you were wrong. I've had a pulled pork on the smoker outside all day, and it's gonna be ready in the next 10 to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do that and some broccoli for dinner. So I'll show you guys how I pull it and all that coming up. But real quick, I wanted to talk for a second about the last couple clips you saw, and then the next few videos you're gonna see from me. Now, obviously, I'm pre-shooting a lot of stuff when I'm in London, but the audio in the last couple clips and for the cooking videos I shot wasn't great, and I didn't notice it until I was upstairs editing it, and unfortunately there's not much I can do right now. But the story is I got a new mic and I've been playing with it, and apparently my camera doesn't like the audio setting. When I use that mic, I have to use manual audio. Good to know, but just bear with me on those. So with that, I'll check in with you guys once the pork is pulled.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, when you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Alright guys, we are here with meal number 3, and this is going to be my last meal of the day. I've been eating kind of instinctively, but I'm going to go ahead and total up all my macros on the screen right here for you guys and see how I did. If I total it up and need a little more fat, I might have another one of those fat bombs that we made. But basically what I got for dinner here is I got a cup of broccoli with a tablespoon of butter on it, 8 ounces of pulled pork, there's a tablespoon of butter in that, and then the barbecue sauce you see right here, it's made by this company called G. Hughes. It's sugar-free, keto-friendly barbecue sauce. Great stuff. It's not going to be the stuff as same thing as like Sweet Baby Ray's or whatever you're used to when you're not on keto, but it is a good substitute. I like the meat without the barbecue sauce, but I do put a little on the side, although it did come out a little faster than I was expecting. So there's a little more on my plate than I want, but that's all right. Now, some of you guys may be asking, why am I always eating barbecue? And the reason for this is it's really cheap, I can make a lot of it, and it tastes good. I mean, the whole pork shoulder that I smoked today, it's like 9 pounds. I paid $12.50 for it, and I'll eat for a week off of that. So in terms of keto on a budget, it's a great option. But also, let me know if you guys would be interested in seeing some of these cooking videos where I do barbecue, you know, how to smoke things, how to make keto-approved dry rubs, those kind of things. Let me know if that interests you guys, because I don't know how many people out there really are big barbecue fans. But let me know. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I'll take you guys up to the office, and we'll finish off the video for today. And just like that, we are back in my office, and food was fantastic. I really am a huge fan of pulled pork. I don't know why I don't make it more often, but I think it's because at the end of the week, after having eaten that every day for a week, I'm a little tired of it. And then I'll do like a brisket, and then I'll do some ribs or something like that. I kind of rotate through my barbecue, but I usually barbecue something at least once a week. It's fantastic, and it's a great way to save money. But I am feeling particularly full, and it's sitting here right around 10 o'clock now, and even if I'm a little low on my macros, which I haven't calculated yet, I'm going to calculate them as I'm editing this video. Even if I'm a little low, I'm not going to worry about it. Like I said in another video of mine where I was talking about things I wish I knew before I started keto, which I'll put in the card right here, you don't have to hit your macros perfectly every day, and I feel full. Even if I'm a little low, I'm just not going to bother eating anymore because I'm going to be going to bed here soon. But I've got a lot of footage to edit because I spent the whole day shooting like 3 or 4 YouTube videos for you guys while I'm gone. So with that, I'm going to close out the video. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button because now you've seen a little sneak peek of what's going to be coming, so you know you want to see it. Just hit the subscribe button so you know. If you like the video, leave it a like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. But with that, I'll see you guys in the next one.